Okay, children. So next, let us see exercise problems. So in this exercise 6.2. So in this, some of the problems I am going to give homework. See, first one, find the square root of the following numbers by prime factorization method. This you do as homework, first bit. So prime factorization method you know very well. Second one, find the smallest number by which 3645 must be multiplied to get a perfect square. So just they given half question up to perfect square, what number we should multiply. So that you know, I told you an example. This also homework. Then third one, find the smallest number by which is to be multiplied to get a perfect square, and also find. So this, after multiplying number, then you multiply, then find square root also. Already we have discussed in one example. So this also homework. So fourth one, divide. Instead of multiplication they given, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 you do as homework. Then let us discuss the fifth problem. So here word problem given. See children. So what is there? So here 1521 trees are planted in a garden in such a way that there are as many trees in each row as there are rows in the garden. See children, the total trees are 1521. Yes children, this they are planting in the garden as, then how many plants are planting in a row? Then they are taking that many rows. See here in the first row how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If in the first row 5 plants, then they are taking then 5 rows. If in the first row if they are taking 6, they are taking 6 rows. Like, so here then how many rows they are taking? In one row they are planting that many plants. So here total is 1521. Find the number of rows and number of trees in each row. See children here. Then can you say then how many trees are planting in one row? We don't know. Just they are giving number of. Then take X. Right? If you take X trees in each row, then how many rows? X rows. Then if you join this, you will get a square. So you know, to get all trees in a square, then side into side, just you find out area of square. So children, this is, so like, right, see, then what we have to do? Solution, fifth one. Right, first, we don't know number of trees in one row, means each row. So let number of trees in each row. How many children? X. Then now number of rows. How many children? X. So now total trees in the garden. So total how much given? 15, 21. So according to these rows and trees in each row, then total trees, right? So x into x from given data. So if you multiply these two, you will get total trees, means x into x is equal to 15, 21. Children, so here x into x square from algebra, when we are multiplying two variables, right, so the power should be added, 1 plus 1 2 means x square, then 15, 21. So this 2 means this 2 in the power. So this power, when you are transposing to the right side, it will become under root. So 15, 21. So what is the meaning of this one? Now square root of 50, 15, 21, nothing but we have to find out, yes, the square root of 15, 21. As we know, prime factors method, or if you know direct, you can write, no problem. Okay? Right. But one I am explaining. So to find out this square root, first I am writing prime factors 15, 21. Right? So I am taking here, the first one is 3. 3 5s are, then take 0, 3 50s are 150, remaining 21, 3 7s are. Okay children? Next. We'll see with 3. 3 1s are 3, 2 will be 3 6s are 18, again 2 27, 3 9s are. Okay? Then 169, we can write 13 13s are, because 13 is a prime number. Right? So therefore here we can write 15 21 is equal to 3 into 3 into 13 into 13. So now we are finding, then square root of 15 21 is equal to, this is for this one pair 3, then this for this pair 113. So now 13 3 is a 39, therefore x is equal to, right children, 15 21, nothing but x is equal to 39. Then what is x? X is nothing but number of trees in each row, right? Therefore number of trees in each row. How many children? 39. At the same time, number of rows, children, also 39. If you have any doubt, you multiply 39 into 39, you will get 15 21. So once, can we check children? Yes, here 9 9s are 81, 9 3s are 27, plus 8 35. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 11. So 1, 5 plus 7 12, 3 plus 2 5, 1. So got it children? So in this garden, then how many rows are there? 39. In each row how many trees are there? 39. So this is children, then how to find out the solution, right? So here first we have to take, then number of trees in each row as x, and at the same time number of rows also x. So children, so then after this, in the next class, next video we will discuss next problems.